adoption of technology is going to be the most important criteria. Lending is without collecting ability has no meaning. Technology is not only helping for lending, but it is also helping us to collect better.
Hey, hi Ajay.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to the portal. You are here at GFF, right? We are seeing all the big names of the industry. So you have been there in the industry from a very long time. I think you have learned a lot of things and you have seen that kind of a phase जहाँ पे पूरा change हुआ एक और tech के terms में. Everything was manual, now everything is virtual, everything is on the phone. What have been your career role in that and how's things happening, right?
From the time, let's say, go back another 10, 12, 15 years, any loan application used to have a pen and paper.
Right.
And the only guys who used to get a loan who has a verified documentation.
Right.
So the large part of people who really required loans
Right.
were not eligible or underserved in that case.
Right.
But the play of technology has really made that underserved more eligible for the loan, affordable loans. And the second and the most important part which everyone talks about is the MSME lending space. I think with the help of technology like the GSTs, these are actually the biggest enabler for industry to offer affordable finance options to the MSME industry, which is, everyone says it is underserved, it is less penetrated. But the areas, the problem statement were not been addressed to that level. I think with this technology, the banking analyzer, GST data analyzer is going to pave the big way in terms of enhancing the penetration in the MSME segment in a more formal way. I will not just rest for technology is not only helping for lending, but it is also helping us to collect better. I think lending is without collecting ability has no meaning. So the technology is also helping. Most important thing at the end of the day, the customer experience of having that facility is also taken care of. The earlier days of getting a sanction of 5 to 10 days, now it is 5 to 10 minutes. And it is further going to sharpen. There is no second thought that whosoever is not looking at the technology piece very seriously is going to be way behind than the competitions.
What would be your advice to the people who are just joining the industry, right? Every salesperson or every business person that comes into play, any revenue focused person would eventually aspire to be at a position like you. So for you, the era has been a very different. As per today, what would be your advice to them?
See, any new player or anyone who wants to enter the industry, one important thing, you have to have updated knowledge on the AI and ML. And most importantly, the adoption of technology is going to be the most important criteria. And adoption is not only internal, but for external. Your channel partners also needs to align to your way of working, where you are using the max technology. Adoption is not there, having great technologies in place is not going to help. So the combination of one is the mindset, second is the required talent and the knowledge, and third and the most important is the desire to ride this technology for enhancing the market share, making more efficient way which will add to the profitability, and overall ROI of the investment should come out.
Great.
That's it.
Thank you so much for the time. Thank you.
Thanks.
Nice talking to you. Thank you.